In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert an emoji on the Outlook application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, you will do that if you don't have the Outlook application on your PC. If you have it, all you need to do, just go and open it up. But if you don't, as I said, you will need to go and open the browser that you're gonna download the Outlook from. Once you opened it, just go to the URL section and type open or download Outlook. Hit the enter button and open the first link. And of course, you will need just to download it. It will be just like any other download. You must have already like downloaded something in your PC or your desktop before, so it will be pretty easy. Once it downloaded into your PC, you will need to go and install it and open it up. Once you do that, they will ask you to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to go and create one from their website, or even if you have an option from there, just go and create your account. Of course, it will be pretty easy as well. Once you're logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here with this homepage or with this main screen. And as I said in the beginning of the video, we would like to insert an emoji on the Outlook application, on your email, of course. So of course, if you want to do that, let me first of all go here and click add new email at the top left corner. That will open this window for me. And of course, I'm not gonna care about from to CC subjects because that's not interesting in this video. All I need to do here is just trying to insert an emoji. So of course, as you can see, we can like do those normal emojis. As you can see, the emojis is insert now. How did I do that? Of course, so as you can see, there are some like normal emojis, like known emojis. I know some of them, like there is this 2 point D space, as you can see, emoji. We have the smiley face, we have the sad face, we have the crying face, I guess. No, that's did not work. We have like maybe this or this. Okay, those are not working as well. So there is the hearts emoji, I guess. Yeah, as you can see, there are some emojis known by what I type. So if you want to cite them, just type back what I typed and you will insert your emoji. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.